Hey, so if your WeTransfer link is not working, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when someone is trying to download your files and gets an error instead. Maybe the link expired or just won't open. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this issue. First, check if the link has expired. Free WeTransfer links usually expire after a few days, so if it's old, that could be the reason. Make sure you're using the correct link. Yeah, sometimes links get copied wrong or incomplete, so try copying it again carefully. Next, try opening the link directly in a browser instead of an app. This helps avoid compatibility issues that can block the page. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because a weak connection can stop the link from loading properly. If you're using a VPN or browser extensions, yeah, disable them temporarily as they can interfere with access. You can also try opening the link on another device, just to check if the issue is specific to your current setup. If the link still doesn't work, ask the sender to upload the files again and send you a new link. And in some rare cases, yeah, WeTransfer servers might be down, so waiting a bit and trying again later can help. So, yeah, that's how to fix WeTransfer link not working issues. One of these steps should get your download working again quickly. Hey,